Ay, nandyan pala kayo guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, nandito pa tayo. So we need consonants. We're gonna learn consonants or vowel. Consonants is a big
Panoorin natin to si Ate Evangelista.
big letter, but the vowels are small letter. Vowels are a, e, o, u, but sometimes y. Because if sometimes y, kasi pag if it's the middle, it's a vowel, but it's in the last, it's a vowel too.
Are you done?
And consonants are so big letter that I can never recognize. So we're just gonna skip that. So we just ha?
Ka na ng tubig.
So guys, nilagay ko na sa. So the consonants are a big letters that I can't even recognize. Ulitin nga natin yung yung vowels. Vowels are a, e, i, o, u, but sometimes y. Sabihin ko ulit sa'yo, a, e, i, o, u, but sometimes y. Because if it's in the middle, it's a vowel, but if it's in the last, it's a vowel too. So ganyan yung consonants at vowels. So yung longitude at latitude. Longitude is a straight line that can't even cut the earth. But if the latitude, it can cut the here. So bye bye.